All right, it is the last day that we are talking about applications, or at least the basic form of an application, in Alpha Academia's College Admissions Bootcamp. So what is it? We're talking today specifically about some common problems you might face in the submission of your applications, and a little bit about how to avoid them. So number one, late submissions. They are the worst. Try to avoid letting this happen to you. How do you do that? You do your research and get really organized to know all the parts that have to go where and when. And then you communicate and follow up with the various people who have to submit things for you. Number two, missing application pieces. It's a little different from late submissions because you may have a teacher who swears uphill and down that they sent in their letter of recommendation. And the college says they didn't get it. We'll talk about recommendations a little later and how having a spare is always a good idea. But do your best to work with your guidance counselor to get that person to submit it again. Same thing with other missing application pieces. If they're pieces that you potentially would submit, make sure you have them all saved somewhere so that you can email or fax anything that the school might require if they suddenly comes up missing. And finally, typos and other mistakes in your drafts. These are evil and they're very easy to happen, especially when you're cutting and pasting things into internet fields. Before hitting submit, always have a fresh pair of eyes look over your application, especially on that common application where you might be cutting, pasting, editing, and changing the various fields over the course of several days, if not weeks. Get another person to read very carefully your entire application before you hit that send button. And that's it. We have finished week 4 of the College Admissions Bootcamp talking about applications. See you next week, by which we mean tomorrow. www.alphaacademia.com. Having fun yet?